Okay, class. So our lesson for today is we will draw a cow and the balloons. Okay. Okay. So the first step we have to do, we will draw first the cow. Okay. So you will draw oblong shape like this. Okay. So right now we will draw the body. Okay. So right now we will draw the face. Okay. Look at the screen. And yung ano niya, yung horn. This one. Okay. And yung ear. Okay, we will draw the ear. Okay, please double check your drawing, ha? Always double check your drawing before you color it. Okay? Check the angle, the lines, the body, the face. Okay, so right now we're going to do the eyes. Okay, so small dots. Yeah. And the nose hole. Okay? And we will draw the mark. And the tail. Okay? Okay, so right now we will draw the balloons. Okay, so may hawak siyang balloons. Merong balloons yung cow. Okay, double check your drawing before we color it. Okay, double check your drawing. Okay, let's color the yellow family first. Okay, all the yellow family. So that is the yellow family. Okay, so after that, we will color the color blue for the balloon. Okay, right here, color blue. Okay, so right here is violet. Okay, purple. After the violet, okay, next color is red. Okay, color red. Okay, so red. Then after that, we will add orange. Okay, right here. Let's add color orange. Add more orange sa ear. Okay. Sa horn. Tapos dito orange. Sa toe. Okay. Okay, so right now, okay, the last color is color black. Okay, color black for the mark. Okay, so that's it. Okay, please double check your drawing, ha? Ano class? No, 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 no. We will add purple pa pala, sorry. Okay, add pa pala tayo ng purple. Okay, we will add purple. Okay, so that's it. Okay, double check your drawing, ha?